Well, leftover showers at times through this morning here in Metro Vancouver, the Fraser Valley. Sun and cloud this afternoon and clear tonight.
Around a 2 to 2.5 hour wait for each of the crossings. Probably going to stay like that across the long weekend. It's also still spring break, so keep that in mind.
Love can be a game for two. It can lead in not knowing what to do.